A delightful and memorable evening in Faisalabad, the wedding celebration of the beloved daughter of Malik Zafar Iqbal of Wali Fabrics, and sister of Zahid Zafar. A beautiful gathering that became more than just a family event. It became a vibrant expression of unity, community, and love. This auspicious event was graced by the esteemed presence of central officials from the Anjuman Tajran Young Traders Sako Group and the Malik Federation Pakistan registered. Arrival and greetings of the dignitaries. Distinguished guests included Malik Suhail Niaz Tor, City President, Young Traders; Abbas Ashraf Malik, General Secretary; Haji Zulfikar Ali Malik, President Punjab, Malik Federation Pakistan Reg, and PPP Provincial Ticket Holder; Shahid Majid Malik, Malik Yousaf, Malik Wakaz Zulfikar, Malik Muhammad Amin MM, Malik Azam Safdar, Malik Mushtaq, Malik Arif Majid, Malik Fakir Hussain, Malik Asif Mushtaq. Group photo of traders and leaders. Also present were respected leaders of the trader community: Chairman Young Traders, Muhammad Bilal, Rai Nazir Naqshbandi, Zishan Kakazai, Farhan Sheikh, Yunus Jamal, Ch. Amir Shahzad Remani, Muhammad Amir. Arrival of spiritual and religious personalities. The elegance of the evening was further elevated by the honorable presence of religious and spiritual leaders, including Sahibzada Professor Hafiz Syed Waji Ul Hassan Bukhari, Triple PC, President, Pakistan; Sahibzada Hafiz Syed Zain Ul Abidin Bukhari, Vice President, Punjab; Azam Karamat Kokar, Muhammad Azam Bukhari; Wasim Shah, Syed Safdar Hussain Bukhari. Prayers, blessings, and warm wishes. In this heartwarming gathering, heartfelt prayers, wise words, and blessings filled the air. This wedding was not only the union of two souls and families, but a beautiful symbol of community harmony and togetherness. Closing narration. On behalf of the Malik family, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all esteemed guests, friends, and spiritual leaders who honored the occasion with their presence. You are watching this channel. snntvpk@gmail.com